Hello everyone, welcome to this next question on complex analysis. This question is from GATE 2004 and it is of 1 mark. The question says, what is the real part of the principal value of this complex number 4 raised to the power 4 minus iota? So out of these 4, what is the real part of the given function? So in effect, what we are to do, we are to simplify this function. Say the complex number z is equal to 4 raised to power 4 minus iota. So what we can do over here is, whenever you have some power, the complex number in the power, what you do is, you just define the function like this: e to the power log of 4 minus iota. Why we have done this? Because we are interested to bring this power in front of this log, because of this property that log of a by b, that is equal to b log of a, right? So here we have e raised to power 4 minus iota, this comes to the front over here. So, and we have log of 4. So now we can separate the real and imaginary part likewise. So here we would have e to the power 4 into log 4, and then we have in multiplication e to the power minus iota ln of 4, right? So again you can shift this number 4 to the power of 4 over here. So we would have e to the power ln of 4 raised to power 4, and here what you can do, you can separate the real and imaginary parts, because we have this thing e to the power iota theta, this is equal to cos theta plus iota sin theta. So here we can write this thing to be cos of ln of 4, and if we have minus over here, so it becomes minus here, right? So we have log of the angle is log of 4, cos of log of 4, and minus iota sine of log of 4, right? So from here the effect of e and log cancels, and we are only left with 4 to the power 4, which is 256, and moreover we have cos of ln of 4 minus iota sine of ln of 4. This ln of 4 is in the brackets, that means it is the angle. So here the real part, this is z. So what is the real part of z? It is simply this first factor. So it is 256 into cos of ln of 4. So this is our answer. So from here you see option A comes out to be the correct option. So well, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.